Guys, welcome back. I'm back this time around ready to show you the empanadas de piña in this occasion. I might end up mixing some in at the very end, making them separately as dulce de leche empanadas. But here I have my pineapple already in a glaze. Basically, I took a can of pineapple. I added a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, along with the splash of vanilla extract. And of course, I mashed it up and then let it simmer to get this consistency here. You're also going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and your 1/2 cup of sugar, that's granulated sugar, and then your shortening, milk, baking powder, of course your vanilla extract, 1 egg, and then 1 additional egg just to coat each empanada to give it that golden color. And I have a pineapple here in case you want to make your filling using just 1/3 of this pineapple with a tablespoon of sugar and that splash of vanilla and a tablespoon of cornstarch. So we're going to begin by incorporating the ingredients here, and then of course making that dough in empanada shapes, which will be using the round cookie cutter to make it not so big of an empanada, just the perfect size. So let's begin. Okay guys, so I'm going to begin by incorporating the sugar and the flour into my bowl here. And I'm just going to give this a good mix, just like this, or you can use your stand mixer. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my manteca, my vegetable shortening. I use the Moral brand. And this is 1/2 cup of shortening. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I'll go ahead and start to combine all your ingredients. With my clean hands, I'm just going to mash it up just like this, and then continue to add in the rest of the ingredients. Of course, this will end up on my clean counter to go ahead and finish amasando. Okay, just want to finely mesh that in, and then I'm going to add in my milk. You will want to use your ingredients at room temperature. Go ahead and add in your baking powder. And finally your egg. Alright, so I'm just going to incorporate all of the ingredients until all combined, just like this. So I'm just going to set this on my surface. If it does stick for you, feel free to go ahead and add some flour to your surface, but it doesn't with mine. It's perfect. So just go ahead and continue to knead until it all combines and comes together. Okay guys, so about 5 minutes after your dough is ready to go ahead and roll out with your rolling pin, and then you can go ahead and cut out your circles. Just gonna grab like a teaspoon of filling, a little more of the glazed part to each empanada, and you're just gonna want to flip it over. And then like either press down with your finger and then finish off. End up with something like this. And just repeat the process. Another method I have for you, if you want your empanadas to be bigger, is to go ahead and grab the initial shape that you had and then roll it out each way with your rolling pin to make them bigger. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab just 2 teaspoons of the filling, and same process, just flap it over just like this. That way you have bigger empanadas. And just go ahead and repeat the process by just forking it all the way across, and you have something like this. Here is another technique, is pinching your empanada all the way around to give it a prettier edge, and just flap it in just like this, and then repeat that process. And these look a lot prettier. Okay, just for fun, I'm going to add leche. These last 4 here. All right, and then repeat the process. All right, now before baking your empanadas, go ahead and coat them just on the surface there with egg. So just give them an egg wash just like this, and repeat the process. Okay, to the ones that I added the dulce de leche into, I'm just going to coat them with sugar just like this, and I'm ready to bake my empanadas for 17 minutes, 375 degrees. Okay guys, so the empanadas are all ready, and they're still hot, but that's all it took to bake them at 17 minutes at 375 degrees. But you can be as creative as you want when filling your empanadas. You can fill them with peach, pumpkin, apple, strawberry filling, whatever you would like. You can be as creative as you want with this. You'll get the end result. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this growing family and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.